Central Andes Mountains, 4,000 meters above sea level. In this barren land live some of the hardiest animals on the planet. Surrounded by caustic lagoons. Up here, water is precious. It gives life, but also takes it away. This is a land without mercy. A land burned by the sun and starved of oxygen. And yet, despite the odds, there is life here. A life of extremes. Running the full length of South America, the Andes are the world's longest mountain chain. Halfway down, high peaks wall in a 1,000-kilometer-wide plateau, the Altiplano. It is the highest plateau outside of the Himalayas.